This is the Sony MDR-ZX110. They're a kind of headphones that are like pretty cheap usually, and in this video we're going to be unboxing it. So let's start off by reading the features of this headphone and what it contains. So it says on the back it has a tangle-free serrated cable. They come on both sides of the headphones to provide for better audio quality, and the cable length is approximately 1.2 meters. And it also comes with an L-shaped stereo mini plug. So the color of headphones I got was black, and yeah, let's start on the unboxing. So let's start unboxing it. I think we start from here. And right here it says they use no more than 5% plastic in packaging. So just a little note at the top. So now it's out of the box. Now we've got another box inside. We've taken out the other letter right here. Now we've got the actual headphones. It's in a little protective layer of packaging on the inside as well. And then we've got a user manual, I think. It's got some instructions right here. Then inside, we've got the wire for the headphones to connect to the device you want to use it with. And here are the headphones. They feel pretty cheap, but that's because they are cheap. And before you use it, it automatically folds into this. So you want to pull it back into an upright position like this. And yeah, so these are the headphones. They come automatically folded up with the wire. And on the instructions it says, retract the sliders beforehand and check the R mark on the right side. So we can check that. And yeah, the R mark is on the right side, right here. The L mark is right. The L mark is right over here. So and yeah, so you can also fold it up if you ever need to like store it really small, and then fold it up like this, then unfold it by retracting it out. And that's how you unfold it. And yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing. I don't think there's anything else left in the box here, so these are the Sony MDR-ZX110 headphones. And yeah, I might post a review of these later, depending on how this video does. And yeah, see you. Thanks for watching and subscribe.